This video I would like to share how to use tap and time tools. This tool is very useful in mechanical engineering field. After you watch this video, you can reform the damaged thread and you can make the new thread without any pause too. Now there is the tap and time tool step. You can see the damaged thread in both. I will reform this damaged thread. Firstly, I clean it in vise. I cannot use this bolt because of its damage. I'm showing you with the net cannot go down easily. That is why I need to reform the damaged thread to be used in good condition. Before I repair, firstly I need to know the diameter of the bolt. This bolt diameter is 12 mm, and then I take the die tools. Times hole is M12. M12 means 12 mm diameter. I put the die at the top of the bolt and then I turn the handle in clockwise position. We need to turn the die tools and then to reach the end of the thread. When die reach the end of the thread, I turn the die tools in counterclockwise position. One thing you should know is the bolt diameter and die diameters must be same. Now you can see there is no damage in thread. Check it with the net again. The net can go down easily and take the end of the thread. You can see the difference before repairing and after repairing of the damaged thread. Okay, now let's make the new thread by using die tools. Before we make the new thread, we need to know the diameter of the bolt that we want to make. This bolt diameter is approximately 8 mm, so we need to use the M8 die. M8 means 8 mm diameter. I change the bolt position to vertical and then I put the die at the top of the bolt. We need to turn the die handle to the clockwise position. When we turn the handle, we should notice that we are making the new thread. So we need a little force to turn the handle. I turn the die handle in clockwise and counterclockwise. That is one thing to notice, that we need to separate the bolt because of smoothing and removing the dust. Now I'm stopped because I get the thread length that I want. I adjust the new thread with the nap. It can be used. I hope you can also make a new thread by yourself after watching this video. Now let me show you making the new inner thread by using the tap tools. Tap tool is used for inner thread. It can make new thread or repair the inner damaged thread. I use the plastic solid rock instead of metal because I just demonstrating for you. I want to make the inner thread for the 12 mm diameter bolt. Firstly, I drill it with the drill bit. Drill bit diameter is 10.5 mm. Now you can see the bolt. It can tight because there is no thread inside the plastic rock. We will make the inner thread for 12 mm diameter bolt. Firstly, I take the M12 thread. There are three types of M12 thread. They are taper, flat and bottoming. Firstly, I take the taper and then I put it inside the hole that I drill. I fix the handle. I turn the handle to the clockwise position. When you make the inner thread with the metal, you need a little force to turn the handle. After the thread reaches the end of the hole, I turn the handle to the counterclockwise position. Remove the piece of scrap. In second step, I use the flat thread. The procedure is the same between the taper, flat and shape test. There is no difference. In step 3, I use the shape step. There is the left step. After this step, we can use the thread. Now you can see the difference before and after making the inner thread. I hope you will know how to use the tap and die. You can easily solve the problem related with the thread in your work. Please like and comment if you think this video is useful for you and other. See you next video, kind.